Welcome to Dr. Wandy's channel.
Comb your hair.
Hello friends, I'm Dr. Wandy. Today, we're going to learn how to comb our hair and keep it nice and tidy. Let's see who needs our help today. Hello Mia, what's the matter?
My hair is all messy, Dr. Wandy. I don't know how to comb it.
That's okay, Mia. I'll show you step by step. Combing hair is easy, gentle, and fun.
Mia, comb your hair.
Look, Mia, this is a comb. It helps make our hair smooth and neat.
Dr. Wandy, please. Can I try too?
First, we start at the top. Comb, comb, comb. Now the sides. Swish, swish, swish. And the back. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Say it with me. Comb, comb, swish, swish, smooth, smooth. Now it's your turn, Mia.
Wow! My hair feels nice and soft. Thank you, Doctor.
Hold me in my chair.
Great job, Mia. You did it.
Still standing.
Combing hair keeps us looking neat and feeling good.
Bye. Bye.
Friends, remember to comb your hair gently every morning. It's quick, fun, and makes you feel happy just like Mia.